SpaceX, the brainchild of Elon Musk, has always been an ambitious endeavor. From its inception, the company has aimed to revolutionize space travel and make it more accessible to humanity. Elon Musk's vision has always been grand, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. But their latest goal borders on the audacious, producing a rocket every single day. This isn't just a lofty dream, it's a calculated move to change the dynamics of space exploration. The idea of producing rockets at such a rapid pace is unprecedented and could redefine the future of space travel. This isn't about launching satellites or shuttling astronauts to the ISS, though those are certainly part of the plan. SpaceX has already proven its capability in these areas with numerous successful missions. However, the daily production of rockets signifies a shift towards a more sustainable and scalable approach to space travel. This is about something far grander. It's about creating a future where space travel is as routine as air travel. Imagine a world where rockets are launching daily, opening up new possibilities for exploration, research, and even tourism. This is about making humanity a multi-planetary species. Elon Musk has often spoken about his dream of colonizing Mars, and this goal is a crucial step towards that vision. By producing rockets daily, SpaceX aims to create a reliable and consistent means of transportation to other planets. To achieve this, SpaceX isn't simply building rockets, they're building a production machine unlike anything the world has ever seen. This involves advanced robotics, automation, and innovative manufacturing techniques that can produce rockets with unprecedented speed and efficiency. This machine is designed to churn out spacecraft with the same speed and efficiency as a car factory produces vehicles. The comparison to car manufacturing is intentional, highlighting the shift from bespoke, handcrafted rockets to mass-produced, reliable spacecraft. The goal is ambitious, audacious even, but SpaceX has never been one to shy away from a challenge. The company thrives on pushing the envelope and tackling seemingly impossible tasks. This new objective is no different, and it represents the next frontier in their ongoing mission to revolutionize space travel. The implications of such a feat are staggering. A world where rockets are produced daily could lead to exponential growth in space exploration and development. It could pave the way for new industries, scientific discoveries, and even the establishment of human colonies on other planets. Imagine a future where rockets are no longer precious, limited-use vehicles, but rather workhorses of the space age. These rockets could be used for a variety of purposes, from transporting goods and people to conducting research and mining resources in space. This is the future SpaceX is building towards, and it all hinges on their ability to master the art of mass production. If they succeed, it could mark the beginning of a new era in space exploration, one where the stars are within reach for all of humanity. Elon Musk's vision for SpaceX goes beyond Earth's orbit. His ambition is not just to explore space but to make it a new frontier for human civilization. He envisions a future where humans are a multiplanetary species, thriving on different celestial bodies. Central to this vision is the establishment of a self-sustaining colony on Mars, a place where humans can live, work, and grow. To make this a reality, SpaceX needs to send a lot of people and a lot of cargo to the Red Planet. This means developing a robust and reliable transportation system, and that requires a lot of rockets. The sheer volume of launches needed is unprecedented. The journey to Mars is long and fraught with challenges. It's not just about getting there, it's about ensuring the safety and sustainability of those who make the trip. Traditional launch schedules with months or even years between missions simply won't cut it. The old ways of space travel are too slow and too costly. SpaceX needs to launch frequently, reliably, and affordably. This means rethinking every aspect of rocket design, production, and operation. They need a cadence of launches that mirrors the rhythm of a beating heart. A constant and reliable pulse that can be counted on. Sending a steady pulse of humanity and resources towards Mars, ensuring a continuous flow of supplies and people. This is where the goal of producing a rocket per day comes into play. It's an ambitious target, but one that is necessary to meet the demands of frequent launches. It's not about building a stockpile of rockets, it's about creating a system where rockets are always ready to go. Much like how airplanes are always ready for their next flight. It's about creating a launch capability that is as routine and reliable as commercial air travel. Imagine a world where space travel is as common as hopping on a plane. It's about making Mars not a distant dream, but the next giant leap for humankind. A place where future generations can thrive and explore new possibilities. The engineers and scientists at SpaceX are working tirelessly to turn this vision into reality. Every day they push the boundaries of what's possible. With innovations like reusable rockets, SpaceX is making space travel more sustainable and cost-effective. Each successful landing brings us one step closer to Mars. Elon Musk's relentless drive and the dedication of the SpaceX team are the fuel behind these frequent launches. Together, they are paving the way for a new era of space exploration. As rockets light up the night sky, they carry with them the hopes and dreams of humanity. Each launch is a testament to our collective ambition to reach for the stars. The journey to Mars is just beginning, and with each step, we get closer to making the red planet our new home. The future of space exploration is bright, and it starts with fueling frequent launches. At the heart of SpaceX's ambitious production goals lies Starbase, their sprawling facility in Boca Chica, Texas. This is not just any ordinary facility, it is a place where dreams of interplanetary travel are being turned into reality. The vast expanse of Starbase is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of pushing the boundaries of what is possible. More than just a factory, Starbase is a testament to SpaceX's relentless pursuit of innovation. Here, every corner of the facility buzzes with activity. From the assembly lines where rockets are meticulously put together, to the research labs where groundbreaking technologies are developed. It's a place where every detail matters, and where the future of space travel is being crafted with precision and care. It's a place where the boundaries of aerospace engineering are constantly pushed, and where the future of space travel is being built piece by piece. Engineers and scientists work tirelessly, using the most advanced machinery and techniques available. Each component, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the larger mission of exploring the cosmos. Within Starbase's massive hangars, a symphony of robots and skilled technicians work in concert. The precision and coordination required are akin to a well-rehearsed orchestra, where every movement is calculated and every action is deliberate. The hangars are filled with the hum of machinery and the focused energy of individuals dedicated to a common goal. Giant rolls of stainless steel, the chosen material for SpaceX's Starship, are transformed into gleaming spacecraft hulls. This material, known for its strength and durability, is meticulously shaped and assembled to withstand the harsh conditions of space. The process is a blend of traditional craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology, resulting in spacecraft that are both robust and efficient. Engines designed and built in-house roar to life on test stands, shaking the very ground beneath them. These engines are the heart of SpaceX's rockets, providing the thrust needed to break free from Earth's gravity. Each test is a critical step in ensuring the reliability and performance of the engines, and the sight of them firing is a powerful reminder of the raw energy and potential of space travel. Starbase is a hive of activity, a testament to the energy and ambition that defines SpaceX. The factory floor is a bustling environment with workers and machinery moving in a coordinated dance. Every person here is driven by a shared vision of making space accessible and affordable, and their collective efforts are what make SpaceX's ambitious goals achievable. It's a place where the impossible is attempted daily, and where the line between science fiction and reality becomes increasingly blurred. The innovative designs and completed rockets stand as monuments to human creativity and determination. At Starbase, the future is not just imagined, it is actively being built, one groundbreaking achievement at a time. SpaceX isn't just building rockets faster, they're building them smarter. They've implemented innovative manufacturing techniques, borrowing from the automotive industry's playbook and adding their own space-age twist. Linear production lines, a staple of car manufacturing, have found a new home in SpaceX's factories. Instead of rockets being assembled in static positions, they move along an assembly line, with specialized teams working on specific sections. This streamlines the process, reduces errors, and dramatically speeds up production, but SpaceX didn't stop there. They embraced 3D printing, creating complex components with incredible precision and speed. This allows them to rapidly iterate designs and produce parts that would be impossible to manufacture using traditional methods. This combination of cutting-edge technology and innovative thinking is revolutionizing rocket manufacturing, making what was once considered impossible now commonplace.